Much of the time, employing a turnaround company sounds like a good idea. Thousands of man-hours, hundreds of jobs, dozens of contractors. Managing these on time and under budget is the expectation, if seldom the rule. A specialist seems like the answer. A company that is trained in managing those problems, specific to the unique requirements of a turnaround, seems like the ultimate solution to the problem of accountability. The results, however, are usually just the opposite. If your plant is struggling to maintain control, chances are it's not for lack of trying. Usually it's the result of many disconnected disciplines, information silos, and differing plant-wide goals and objectives. If this is the case, bringing in an outside company only means outsourcing the chaos, and in many cases, contributes to it. A turnaround company, by definition, brings in experienced people, or put another way, people experienced in managing a business with different rules and expectations than yours. And there's the rub. Turnaround management is about good people and a company's ability to find them and put them in your facility. And of course, these people are hard to find and expensive, especially if they are good. And since their compensation and their employers is really about billable hours, since they have to earn a profit just like you, is it really in their best interest to train you? To leave behind their hard-won knowledge and years of experience? The results of this business model are about what you would expect. Effective turnaround contractors remain in place permanently, and the good people are assured jobs forever. The ones who find themselves in the most difficult environments, or who are not extraordinary in regard to technical knowledge and leadership skill, find themselves dismissed, with their former customer disillusioned as to the possibility that anyone from the outside can truly understand and address their unique problems. Clearly, it's time for a new model. A model that allows a facility to gain best-in-class information and procedures from the outside and without sacrificing control of their facility from within. Here are 4 areas that are essential to running any business. Areas that separate tech real-time from traditional turnaround contractor business models. How many times have you heard a comment like this in a turnaround meeting? Let's stop talking about the past and get the horse back in front of the cart. The problem is seldom getting the cart and the horse back in line. More often, it is that there was no road for them to follow. In fact, any cart pulled through the middle of the woods is bound to flip over repeatedly. Just like the complex process used to turn a single ingredient into a final product, the good decisions required to achieve an intended final result must also go through a predetermined process. In the past, success has relied on exceptional managers capable of intuitively implementing the management of whatever information was available. The future provides a new opportunity, the opportunity to gain a consensus from a facility before a project begins in regard to the what, when, and who involved in a comprehensive project plan, and embed this decision-making process in a structured and permanent environment with agreed-upon checkpoints so that all our decisions are made with the same criteria and so that we achieve a safer, happier, and more efficient work environment brought about by wise choices. Tech Real-Time uses a proprietary operating environment, DART, to standardize workflow and connects all the disciplines, the information required, the file types, their routing, and the required approvals. By answering a series of predetermined questions, the project workflow platform is established in advance, which in effect creates the road for our horse and its cart. And most importantly, that road now becomes a runway where the latest management tools can be employed to get to the project's final destination in the safest and most efficient manner. Project management can get their 50,000-foot view with the comfort of knowing that there are thousands of people working diligently on the ground to land the plane, people who are all connected and working in a logical and coordinated fashion to ensure a safe and on-time arrival.